Hi, I'm Joe James. In this video, I wanted to share with you my tips on how I handle loser stocks. Now, everybody picks a bad pick now and then. You get a stock that right after you buy it, it tanks. Been there, okay? But how do you deal with that when a stock goes down? What do you do to respond to that? When is the right time to sell it? So here are my tips. First of all, I look at the company and I see how it's doing. I bought it for a reason, right? Because I thought it would go up. Do I still think the company is sound, and do I still think they will grow and come back? That is the key decision that you have to make. Is this company going to crash? Is their stock down because their products are exploding and burning people's houses down? Or is it just because some analyst downgraded them, or maybe they gave out softer guidance or something? If they still have a sound business model and you still believe in their ability to perform and grow and sell, then it may make sense to just keep that stock and ride it out. Wait until it comes back. Patience will pay off because in the long term, a year from now, 2 years from now, if that stock comes back, you'll sell it for a gain. That's the best outcome that you can get. Be patient. Don't always expect the stock to go up immediately after you buy it. So that's one possibility. Another possibility is you feel like the stock will come back, but it's down 15 or 20%, so it's taken a real pounding. You still believe in that company and you still think it's a good investment. That's fine. What I do in those cases, a lot of times, not always, but a lot of times, I'll double down. If I bought a small amount of shares and I have cash sitting by, I may double down and buy twice as many shares, or maybe buy 1.5 times more shares than I started with. So if I bought, let's say, 100 shares of the stock, it went down by 20% shortly after I bought it. I still believe in that company and I still believe they can grow and it still looks like a sustainable, solid business model and I want my money there. Then I may buy another 50 shares or another 100 shares. So I've increased my exposure to that company. If it continues to go down, I'm going to lose more money. However, if it comes back, it won't have to come back as much compared to my original purchase price for me to recoup my investment. And another possibility is the company is just doing badly. They turned sour. For whatever reason, maybe you judged wrongly, or maybe shortly after you bought it, they came out with some bad news and it doesn't look like they're going to recover. Maybe a competitor came out with a better product that's kicking their butt, or whatever the case is. But their business looks soft and it looks like it's going to be a long time before they recover, and you don't want to own that share anymore because you'd rather put that money to work in another investment. And that may be the best option then. Put that money to work in a better investment and cut your losses. You may consider cutting your losses, doing it earlier, and getting out of that share, getting into another investment. And if you think another investment will perform better than this company that is down, then just sell it and move your money. That's fine. And one tip in that case is that if you do sell it as a loser, you may have a winner that you want to sell as well to balance out that loss with the gain so that you can net out zero gain and avoid paying taxes on the winner. So that's something to think about. I'm not advising you to get out of a good stock, but if there is a company where you want to take some profit off the table at the same time that you're dumping a loser, is a good time to do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm Joe James. Thanks for watching.